A memorial wall in remembrance of the healthcare workers who died in the Boksburg gas tanker explosion will be unveiled today. Gauteng Health MEC Nomantu Nkomo-Ralehoko will lead the ceremony. 12 healthcare workers based at the Tambo Hospital were among the 41 people who lost their lives on Christmas Eve when a tanker got stuck under a low-lying bridge last year. The explosion destroyed the bridge, parts of the hospital, as well as homes, cars and infrastructure. The driver of the truck was initially taken into police custody but was subsequently released pending further investigations. Katleho Sekhotho is in Boksburg and you're standing by with more detail. Has the unveiling ceremony taken place?
Very good afternoon, Dudu. Indeed, the unveiling of the Wall of Remembrance here is set to take place just from this hour. And it's been a road to recovery for the Tambo Memorial Hospital. 12 employees at the hospital died on that fateful day at 7:30 in the morning on the 24th of December last year when that tanker explosion took place. And since then, you know, the hospital was affected in that the accident and emergency unit were affected as well as the radiology unit. And since then, at the hospital, working towards recovering those particular units and opening on the 31st of January this year. But to give us more details, I do have with me the CEO of the hospital just to give us more about how it's been since this explosion. CEO, thank you for your time. I mean, here we'll be honoring those who died following that explosion. What's it been like for the hospital in terms of recovery?
Katleho, thank you, and good afternoon to the viewers. It's been hard. You will remember that these staff members were on duty and they were seen by their colleagues. They heard them scream. They tried to assist them. So it's been very, very traumatic for the majority of our staff members, in particular those who were at work. So we've been having counseling sessions from a number of organizations as well as from the department. You would note that we don't recover at the same speed. So each one goes through their own journey. Some have recovered, some are still having ongoing counseling. And so today is about remembering the courage, the dedication, the selfless service of those who are on duty on the 24th of December. That is why we are unveiling this wall to say that they are gone but not forgotten. So we have written their names on the memorial wall.
Yes. Now, CEO, in terms of the infrastructure damage and the recovery since then, those units, the accident and emergency radiology, has there been a full recovery? What have been the long-term effects of that incident?
Fortunately, no medical equipment was damaged. It was windows here and there. Majority it was ceilings on both the radiology and the accident and emergency. So it took us about 4 weeks to do those repairs. I think before even New Year, we had started with the repairs, working together with the provincial government as well as the Department of Infrastructure. And the repairs were done very fast. By the 31st, all the repairs were completed. At that time, we were diverting our emergency services. We had sent our staff members to other neighboring hospitals in order to go and assist there with the caring of the patients. But from the beginning of February, then everybody else was back and we are in full steam operations.
And I guess just a last one, CEO, your message to the families who were affected by this incident, the families, I guess, of the 12 who we will remember here today.
To the families, we want to say once again condolences. We have walked this journey with them. We have also lost because at work we become like family members with the people that we are working with. You know, we still hope to walk the journey with them. We had provided counseling from the very beginning. I'm not certain if they did take the offer, but we had offered and we are still available really to offer to anyone who might still want to walk this journey with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, CEO. Thank you. You heard it there from the CEO of the Tambo Memorial Hospital, sending his condolences to those families, the 12 employees of the hospital who died during that tragic incident, and that there's continued counseling for the families, those affected, because it's been since a very long journey since that incident.
Katleho, Sekhotho, thank you very much for that report.